Hello cloud experts. So we had some detailed session and demos on two networking services, which is like VPC and Route 53. Now we are going to talk about some other networking and content delivery services in addition to VPC and Route 53. My name is Sanjay Kumar and I'm a cloud trainer and consultant. Let's move forward. So in this case we are talking about few services on networking and content delivery. One is VPC, which is nothing but a virtual private cloud. Route 53, which is the DNS service from Amazon. CloudFront, which is content delivery network from AWS. And Direct Connect, which is a leased line kind of service from AWS. Out of these, we had a detailed session and demo on VPC and Route 53. So now let us start with VPC. VPC, which is typically called as virtual private cloud, is a virtual private network in the cloud. So it's your own virtual private network inside the cloud infrastructure. It allows you to provision a logically isolated section of your AWS cloud where you can launch your AWS resources. So typically it gives you a logically isolated section which is virtual, and you can launch all your AWS resources within that particular VPC. It gives you complete control over your virtual networking environments. That includes your IP address range, creation of subnet, and configuration of route tables and network gateways. So what instances you want to keep it open for public or internet, or what instances you want to keep it in private, which should not be accessible from internet. You can define all these things within your VPC. We can use both IPv4 and IPv6 in our VPC for secure and easy access to resources and applications. What is Route 53? As we mentioned, Route 53 is a DNS service from AWS. DNS is a service which converts your domain name into IP addresses. So typically we have domain name like aws.amazon.com, which has to be translated into some IP addresses, and that is where DNS comes into play. And the IP addresses can be IPv4 as well as IPv6. Now, CloudFront is a CDN, which is called as Content Delivery Network, that securely delivers data, videos, applications and APIs to customers globally with low latencies, high transfer speeds, and with a easy to deploy service. It is supported by globally distributed networks of some data centers, which are typically called as AWS Edge Location, which does cache content such as web videos, other bulky media, and more locally to consumers. So it is available more locally to consumer. It is closer to the end user, thus improving access speed and enhancing the consumer experience of downloading content and stuff like that. So it is a globally distributed network of AWS Edge Location, which is kept near to the end user so that user can have better consumer experience. It also helps in writing quickly to your S3 buckets by using an application which is called as transfer acceleration. In case of transfer acceleration, you can write your files to the content delivery network, which is CloudFront, and from content delivery network it can be quickly written into your S3 buckets. Direct Connect is a leased line connection which helps you to establish dedicated connectivity between AWS infrastructure and your on-prem data centers or some kind of co-location environments. It helps us to reduce our network cost, increase our bandwidth throughput. So instead of relying on internet, which can be a very costly affair, if you have very high amount of data to be transferred to AWS infrastructure, we can go with Direct Connect, and it also improves our bandwidth throughput compared to the internet connections, provide a more consistent network experience than internet based connections. That's all what we have in this session. Look forward to see you